1 hour of the sun hitting the Earth provides enough energy for the world's demands for an entire year. There's so much incentive to go solar, and virtually zero reasons not to. Instead of us building new power plants for billions of dollars where you can see the CO2 emissions in the air, you can get a renewable source on your own home while saving money in the process. You can create your own energy. You can put an asset on your home that's going to create cheaper energy for you. From day one, you're going to save money and reap the environmental benefits of a sustainable energy source. Saving people money is an exciting experience, not only for customers, but for the employees at GenRenew as well. We purposely and very consciously bring in the best team possible. We want our employees to love coming to work. By striving for this, we're going to attract the right people and make it easier for us to fight climate change. We want our customers to be a part of the GenRenew family. We do this by giving our customers an amazing experience. This ensures that they will come back to us and that we can continue to provide a phenomenal service.
We have less space on our roof, but a little bit more money in our pockets. The biggest benefit, obviously, was financial. It fit the picture. We're making money from the system, which is fantastic.
My roof looks better with the panels on it. My electric bill is $0, which is nice, and I know exactly how much my payments are month to month, so there's no surprises.
The service with GenRenew was phenomenal from day one. The guys showed up on time, they did great work, installation was clean.
Visit www.genrenew.com. GenRenew. Shine on.